So I'll install mount, transmission mount right here. Pretty much ready for 2008 Porsche. This is gonna be it right here. This is the subframe. So what I'm doing, I got 2 pieces of wood, looped it up, and I'm pressing this thing in right here. Best bet to do it is this right here. Sand this down a little bit. It's the old one right here, obviously. But sand it down a little bit. And then you're gonna wanna open this up a little bit, give this a little beating a little bit. See how it's a little beat up, but it's fine because it's just still getting compressed in there. You just wanna just open up the hole so it can go in. And once you do that, at least afterwards, I'm gonna beat this back in there and smooth it all out. Let's see. What does that look like now? Like this. So it look like right here. It look like all pressed in. Money.